Okay, now we're making simple stir fry. Start off with our pork and beef, or pork and chicken, excuse me. We've already partially cooked it. We're going to put it in the pan with a little olive oil to brown it. Keep stirring so it don't stick. Lid on that for just a minute. We've got our water chestnuts we're going to add to that. I've already pre-drained them, so they're ready to dump in when we get ready. We've got to set them to the side. We've got a deluxe mixture of stir-fry vegetables to add in there. Pretty simple. And we're going to be using our, I prefer the La Choy teriyaki stir-fry. We're going to use that today. Just keep stirring. This is a pretty simple dish. Takes just a few minutes after you get the meat brown just a little bit. You can add other seasonings to this if you like, onion, garlic, whatever, but with the marinade teriyaki sauce, not much need to. Here. We cook this on high, really, just to get the meat brown. Got this set on about 8. I've already partially cooked the meat just to speed up the video here just a little bit. All in all, it's going to take, the longest thing it's going to take is 30 minutes for the rice to cook in the rice cooker. Alright, that's stirred. Got our vegetables. Your stir-fry vegetables, you want to leave them frozen until the time you're ready to put them in the pan. Get this a little bit of a brown. Depends on for what you like there, as long as it's done. Need just a little more olive oil in there. Just 100% olive oil. Stick into the pan a little bit. Spread it out so it gets evenly heated and browns evenly. Alrighty, we'll just wait just a second here for this. Yeah, that's what we like. Okay, so the meat's brown. We're going to go ahead and put our vegetables in here. They're left frozen until that point. And just water chestnuts. Something I add just because I like them. They come in a can. You want to drain them. That way you don't put that water in there. Just stir them in a little bit there. Gonna let that steam just a little bit. We're going to put the stir fry on top. Depends on how much you're making and your taste, how much you want to put on there. I don't like to drown it with it, but just enough to cover it. That's about a half a bottle I just put on there. That's a half of a 13.75 ounce bottle. Okay, burnt a little sizzle there. That's helping steam the vegetables. Now your choice, depends on your flavor you like. I like a little wasabi to dip it in, a little sauce on the side, or a little choice sweet and sour duck sauce on the side. Of course, there's sweet and sour chili sauce that's available at a lot of your Asian food market stores. It's really good.
They don't mix it with teriyaki.
Alright. Stirring it every now and then. Basically, you're steaming the vegetables in your teriyaki stir fries. So what you want to look for is it crunchy, still a little bit tough, still a little frozen now. Just another minute or two. Sizzle just a little bit there. I like serving it on a bed of rice, so I'll get my rice cooked in the rice cooker. So you just get it done. Ready? Ready to serve. Enjoy.